This is something I see all the time. Someone's been betrayed, maybe multiple betrayals. Because of it, they're exhausted. They have many of the symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. Maybe they're financially dependent, and instead of making the changes to change their situation, improve their health, improve their confidence, improve their self-esteem, whatever it is, so that they can have a different reaction response way of moving through this. They instead use their energy to try to be okay with what's happening. And I see this so often, and then you convince yourself, well, this is as good as it's going to get, so I better be okay with it. And you know what? I'm not getting any better than this, so I better find a way to make this work. And, I have too much invested in this, so let me just do my best just to, turn the other cheek or look the other way. And in the study I did, I'll tell you, the group who did just that was the most physically sick out of all three of the groups who did not heal. So here's what I want to recommend instead. What would happen if you looked at every single situation, every single thing that came up as a choice, a little decision? If the old version of you maybe would have automatically said yes to something, how about if this new strengthened version of you takes a second and says, you know what, that's not going to work for me? Or how about if the old you would have just gone along with something, this version of you takes a minute to say, you know what, I want to think about that, or no, that's not a fit. And we look at transformation as the big, gigantic leaps, and it's not. It's the small, seemingly insignificant daily changes over time that add up to big results. So if you're in that position where you're feeling like, this is just so hopeless, I just can't get out of this mess, it's just, that's it, this is the best I can hope for myself. That's not true. Instead, little changes, little ones, every single day. And I'm talking like from the foods you eat, from the clothes you wear, from the people you see and you speak with, anything. Because you can only move in one of two ways: further or closer to the body, health, life, lifestyle, relationships that you want. So something so small, like making those little decisions, if you're in that seemingly desperate situation, you're not. And it'll slowly move you towards something so much stronger, so much better. Hope that helps. Follow for more.